Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help you?
could I please have a glass of water?
Of course. Would you like ice?
No ice, please.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Here's your water.
Thanks so much.
You're very welcome.
Actually, I don't feel very well.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
I feel a bit dizzy and lightheaded.
Have you eaten anything today?
Not much, just some snacks.
That might be why. Would you like something to eat?
Yes, please. Do you have something light?
We have sandwiches and fruit cups.
I'll take a fruit cup, please.
Sure thing. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Do you want some juice as well?
Yes, orange juice would be great.
Coming right up. Please sit back and relax.
Also, is it possible to get a blanket?
Of course. Are you feeling cold?
Yes, just a little bit.
Let me check if we have any left.
I appreciate it.
Yes, you're in luck. Here you go.
You're a lifesaver.
Just press the call button if you need anything else.
I'll try to rest a bit.
That's a good idea. Let me know if you start to feel worse.
Okay, I will.
How are you feeling now?
A little better.
I'm glad to hear that. Try to rest for a bit longer.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
You're very welcome. Take care. Excuse me, I'm a bit turned around.
No worries. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to get to the public library.
Oh, the one downtown or the one near the park?
The one downtown near City Hall?
Got it. You're actually not too far from there.
My map says to go down this street.
Normally that's right, but see that construction over there?
Yeah, I see the cones and barriers.
The street's closed right now because they're fixing the road.
Oh, I see. So I can't go straight?
Right, you'll have to take a detour.
Okay, how should I go then?
Go back 1 block and turn left.
Back 1 block, then left. Got it?
Then take your first right after that.
First right. Okay.
That street runs parallel to this one.
Perfect. And after that?
Walk about 2 more blocks. You'll see the library on your left.
Is it a big building?
Yes, a big red brick building with a clock on top.
That sounds easy to find.
Yeah, you can't miss it once you're on that street.
Can I walk there from here?
Yes, it'll take around 20 minutes.
That's not bad. Is there a bus too?
Yes, the number 12 bus stops right on the corner.
Does it go directly to the library?
Not exactly, you need to get off early.
Okay, got it.
Then walk straight for about 5 minutes.
Perfect. And are there signs for the library?
Yes, you'll see a big blue sign near the corner.
I'll look for that.
Enjoy your walk and good luck finding the library.
Thanks a lot for your help.
You're very welcome. Hello, what can I do for you today?
Hi, I need to mail this package to California.
Sure thing. Is it going to a city or a small town?
It's going to Los Angeles.
Perfect. Please put your package on the scale.
Here you go.
Does it have anything liquid or fragile inside?
No, it's just a book and the t-shirt.
All right. Any batteries or electronics?
No, nothing like that.
Do you want to use your own box or ours?
I'll use my own box.
Okay. Do you want it sealed here?
Yes, please. I forgot to bring tape.
No problem. I'll tape it for you.
Thanks a lot.
What kind of shipping would you like?
What are my options?
We have standard, priority, and express.
How long does standard take?
About 5 business days.
And express?
Express takes 2 days, sometimes even 1.
How much is the standard?
$12.50.
And the express?
That's $26.
I'll just go with the standard.
Do you want insurance for the package?
No, that's okay. It's not expensive.
All right. Would you like a tracking number?
Yes, please. I want to know when it arrives.
Of course. I'll print the label now.
Do you need my address too?
Yes. Please write it here on this form.
Okay, here you go.
Here's your receipt and tracking number.
Great. I'll let my friend know.
Anything else you'd like to send today?
No, that's all for now.
All right. Have a wonderful day.
Thanks, you too.
Excuse me, can I buy a Metro card here?
Yes, you can. Use the ticket machine right there.
Oh, great. I want to buy a new card.
Sure. Tap New Card on the screen.
Got it. Now it's asking how much to add.
You can choose any amount or pick a weekly pass.
I'll just add $20.
You can pay with cash or card.
I'll use my card.
The card reader is right below the screen.
Okay, it's processing now.
Great. The new Metro card will come out soon.
Perfect. I see it.
Don't forget your receipt, too.
By the way, how much is a single ride?
It's $2.90 per ride.
Okay, thanks. I'm going to Times Square.
That's easy. Take the number 1 train uptown.
Does it go straight there?
Yes, no transfer needed.
How long does it take?
Around 15 minutes.
That's fast. Is it the shortest route?
Yes, it's the quickest and most direct way.
Perfect. Where's the entrance to the train?
Right behind you, next to the coffee shop.
Oh, I see it now.
Just scan your card at the turnstile.
Got it. Does the card work right away?
Yes, immediately after purchase.
That's convenient. How can I check my balance later?
Just tap your card on the same machine.
Thanks a lot. You've been really helpful.
No problem at all. Have a great ride.
Thanks.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a new food for my dog.
What kind of dog do you have?
He's a small poodle.
That's adorable. How old is he?
He's almost 10 years old.
Oh, then you'll want something for senior dogs.
Yes, that's what I was thinking too.
We have a great brand for small senior dogs.
Really? Where can I find it?
It's right here in this aisle.
Oh, I see it now. Is this one good?
Yes, very good. It's one of our best sellers.
Does it help with joint problems?
Yes, it contains glucosamine and omega-3.
That's great. I'll take a small bag to try first.
Do you need anything else for your dog?
Maybe some shampoo. I want to give him a bath.
Sure. Do you want something gentle or medicated?
Gentle. He has sensitive skin.
Then I recommend this oatmeal shampoo.
Oh, it smells nice. Is it safe for puppies too?
Yes, it's safe for all breeds and ages.
Perfect. I'll take this bottle.
Would you like a brush as well?
Which one is good for curly hair?
This slicker brush works best for poodles.
Okay, I'll get that too.
Anything else today?
I might get him a little outfit too.
Sure, we have dog clothes right over there.
Oh, these are so cute. I like this blue one.
It fits small breeds well.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Great, so food, shampoo, brush, and a shirt.
Yes, that's everything.
Let's check out at the counter.
Thank you for all your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.
Hi, my car broke down. I need a tow.
I'm sorry to hear that. Are you safe right now?
Yes, I pulled over to the shoulder.
That's good. Where are you located exactly?
I'm on Highway 101 near the Oak Street exit.
Okay. Are you heading north or south?
I was heading south toward downtown.
Got it. What kind of car are you driving?
It's a blue Honda Civic.
Okay. Can you tell me what happened?
The engine started making a strange noise.
Did it stop running completely?
Yes, it just shut off while I was driving.
Don't worry. We'll get you towed to a repair shop.
Thanks. Can I choose where to tow it?
Yes, of course. Where would you like it towed?
To the auto shop on 5th and Main. It's called Quality Auto.
Perfect. I have that location in our system.
How long will the driver take to get here?
We have one nearby. It should take around 30 to 45 minutes.
That's not too bad.
Please keep your hazard lights on while you wait.
Okay, I've turned them on.
Can I get your phone number just in case?
Sure, it's 555-3489.
The driver will call when he's close.
Great, I'll keep my phone ready.
Stay safe and we'll be there soon.
Will do. Thank you again.
You're very welcome.